Hello everyone and welcome to this channel French avec Touhin. Aujourd'hui, on va apprendre les numéros de français. I'm going to teach you how to tell the numbers from 0 to 20. So let's start the counting. 0, 0, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8, 9, 9, 10, 10. Guys, if you are watching this video, please make some notes as well as you try to repeat after each and every number. Try to match your pronunciation with my accent. Now let's go from 11 to 20. 11, 11, 12, 12, 13, 13, 14, 14, 15, 15, 16, 16. Now, from 17, 18, 19 includes some mathematics like 17, which is 10, 7, 10 plus 7, so 10, 7. This set 18 is 10, 8 or 10 plus 8, so 10, 8, which is 18. 19 is 19, and then the last 20 is 20, 20. Okay, let's have a quick revision. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you liked this video and please stick to this channel to learn French as fast as possible. Please share this channel to a lot of people and please subscribe to this channel. Guys, we are going to meet in the next videos very soon. Till then, au revoir.